Alright, so I just created a different topology for this female character, and I want to transfer this to my male character as well. One thing to note is my previous male and female character shared the same topology, so I can use that as an advantage, and I'll show you how I can transfer this to my male character to get the new topology without manually sculpting or adjusting shapes. Alright, let's see how to do that. First, I'll just stack everything on top of each other. Next, I'm gonna wrap my new topology of female character on top of the previous one. And next, I'll select my male character, then the female character. Note that they have to share the same topology and vertex order for this to work. So once I've done that, I'll select the male character first, then the female character, click on deform and blend shape. Now I can simply do this and see what happened to my new topology. There we go. Now we can use, now we can just duplicate this. Then we have ourselves the new topology for the male character. I'm just gonna go ahead and undo this one for the previous one. Select everything, delete history. Let's see everything side by side. And as you can see, it's pretty clean. I still need to adjust certain loops, but more or less it's doing a great job of transferring the topology. Like everything is fine on the face. So yeah, handy trick if you need. Note that this will also work on different pose. For example, if the hand was raised, it would do the same thing. It will wrap it pretty nice and clean. So yeah, that's it.